Hi guys, it's Arisse De Santos. So I love working out. I make it a point to work out at least 3 times a week, and it's important to me that while I work out, I also look good. So today I'm gonna talk you through how I do my workout, skincare, or beauty routine. So I'm gonna first get my Stay Fresh Weightless Press Powder. It's from Generation Happy Skin in the shade Light. So what I like about it is it's easy to carry and easy to apply as well. So I make it the point that my foundation is sheer and mattifying at the same time because you don't want to look too made up at the gym because you're gonna get stares. So next I'm gonna take my Perfect Brows Long Lasting Liquid Pen from Generation Happy Skin. It's in the shade Taupe. Since it's a liquid pen, it has feather-like strokes and it looks so natural, so it's perfect for working out. So since the formula is smudge-proof, it's really perfect for working out and it looks so natural still. There. So next we'll do the eyes. So I'm taking my Easy Eyes Crease-Proof Eyeshadow Stick from Generation Happy Skin, their active line, and it's in the shade Flex. So what I like about this is you carry this around and it's easy to apply. So I'll just start here, my crease, and just blending it out. So the shade's really perfect and natural and it gives your eyes more depth. So you just smudge it up and you don't need brushes at all. And I'll do the other side. So this product is perfect for me and Kath because we're not really good at putting eyeshadow. And since we're always on the go, this is actually perfect for us because we just use our hands and we're good to go. So after the eyes, it's lashes time. So I'm using the Happy Skin Lash Curler in Rose Gold. So I love the color, so that's a plus for me. Oh wow, it really curls up in an instant and it gets all of your lashes in just one go. And we like curling our lashes because even if we're just working out, it makes us look like we're alive and awake during our workout. So after, I'm using the Extra Drama Volumizing Mascara from Happy Skin. So I'm pretty sure you're all familiar with this. And we love this mascara so much, we actually really use it when working out because it's natural and at the same time volumizing. And it doesn't clump at all. So you just wiggle it up. See, now my eyes are awake. So the second to the last product I'll be using is for the cheeks. So I'm using the On The Go Blush Lightweight Cheek Stick. Once again, it's from the Generation Happy Skin Active Collection and it's in the shade Glowing. So people always ask me while working out, how do I have blush still? The secret is it's in the cream type. So this one is perfect because it's natural looking and it's easy to apply. And I like putting here on the nose so it looks more fresh. So the shade's Glowing, so it's perfect for me because I like and lean towards peachy tones, and that's how I really look after working out. So you look fresh even though you're sweating and all. So last but not the least, my favorite part, it's the lips. So today I'm gonna use the Love Your Lips Intense Color Butter Balm from Generation Happy Skin Active, and it's in the shade Free. Oh my gosh, it's so minty. So this is perfect for me because it's in a honey nude color and it goes well with the type of makeup that I use. And it's moisturizing and buildable and it has SPF 15, so it's perfect for working out whether you're indoors or outdoors. I feel like this line was made for me. I'm sorry, Kath. So to finish this whole look off, I'm gonna use the Sakura Bloom Hydrating Skin Booster. Once again, it's from Happy Skin, and I like this because after working out or even after putting your makeup, you just set and it refreshes your skin and it even gives off a glow. I'm not using any highlighter and it's perfect to finish everything off. So that's it. This is the makeup routine that I use for the gym. So I like it all natural and it's like the perfect no makeup look. And it's time to test these babies out while working out. Let's go! So I just finished my workout and I'm really pleased with the new Generation Happy Skin Active line. You can see that my makeup didn't budge. I still look fresh, it's still there. It's long wearing, sweat proof, and the best part is it's good for the skin and it doesn't clog pores while working out. So if you want to know more about my beauty tips, my skincare, my adventures, you can look me up, Arisse De Santos on Instagram, and follow happyskin_ph. See you guys soon!